guys, it's Krisha. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, hi! Hello! Hello! You guys know what to do. Like and subscribe. For today's video, I attempted to turn myself into an ABG. ABG stands for Asian Baby Girl. Asian Baby Girl is an Asian female gangster who likes to wear thin clothes and wears heavy makeup, enjoy activities such as parties, clubs, raves, and have a taste for expensive brand names. They're also known for having tattoos, contact lenses, and love dyeing their hair. Last but not the least, boba. This is so good. You guys should definitely check out Lineup. They are now in Foodpanda, GrabFood, and etc. This is so cheap. I just got this for 100 pesos delivered na here at home. So check them out. If you guys want to know how I did this look, keep on watching. Yeah, let's get into the video. I'm gonna start by moisturizing my face with Banila Co. Mineral Face Primer. Let's now proceed to my eyebrows. What I use for my eyebrows is Silky Girl Soft Black One. So next is foundation. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 220. Next is concealer. I'm using Fit Me in the shade Light 10. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna conceal it also with the same concealer with this brush. This one is an angled brush. I use it to clean out my eyebrows. I only get a bit, like a bit, literally. If you do makeup, or if you don't, now you know, use concealer to erase something that you did wrong. So for example, you don't like your eyebrows or you did your eyebrows too thick, you can erase it with this. Oh my god, it just arrived! Let's move to my eyes. So I'm gonna use this color as base. And we added a bit of this color. Walang nangyayari. Walang nangyayari. Next is still aido. We're gonna use the mix of the brown colors. And then I'm gonna add a bit of the light one. I'm gonna use MAC. We're still thinking if we're gonna use this or this. This is so pigmented, no? This one's so nice. Y'all should get this. Wow, bayad ni MAC. Gold shiny shimmer splendid. Proceed to eyeliner. We are using Maybelline Hypersharp Wing. Okay, so for my eyelash extensions, I just bought it in a department store. The brand is in hand. For my eyelash glue, it is by Color Blend Philippines. It's really cute kasi it's like this. So you just put the right amount of glue. Guys, ting! I look like a doll again. Thank you so much. Now we're done with my eyes. I'm gonna proceed with highlights. I use Etude House contouring palette for my highlight and my contour. It's so nice. I'm gonna do my contour with the same palette. For my lips, I'm gonna be using Tonymoly lip gloss. You can see the difference immediately. Damn! So I have my contacts with me. Oh my god. Guys! This is color gray, by the way. Ah, it flipped. So I kinda messed it up. I don't have contact lenses, but I have my boba with me. But I don't have tabs, so thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys want to see from me. Follow me on my socials at Krisha, both on Instagram, Twitter, and on TikTok. I will be updating you guys there whenever I'm gonna post, and yeah, get to know me better. If you guys haven't subscribed to me, subscribe to me and click the notification bell down below so you guys get notified whenever I post. And yeah, see you guys next time.